Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is George, this is Franco and Beto. We are Trading Futures Live, where we take trades live in front of the camera every single day. We show you our winners, we show you our losers. We try and be as transparent as possible. Very quickly, trading is inherently risky and can result in the loss of capital, so please do not take any of our trades or copy any of our trades. We are here for educational purposes only. And with that, let's go ahead and get right into it. In the news today, not much going on in the news today. 8:30 a.m. we had non-farm productivity and unit labor costs. Non-farm productivity was flat and or came in as expected, and labor costs were better than expected. But not really any news today to concern ourselves with. The major news is going to be tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. With CPI month over month and core CPI month over month. And then on Thursday, we'll have PPI month over month, followed by consumer sentiment on Friday. So later in the week was the major news events. And so we certainly want to be ready for that tomorrow, but nothing today. If we take a look at the market so far, the Dow is flat. The rest of them are down. The Russell's down not much, though. The weakest index right now is going to be the NQ. Broke yesterday's lows, even broke Friday's lows, though it is sitting right there right now. It's back above Friday's lows. The ES did break yesterday's lows, but has not made it down here to Friday's lows yet. So NQ right now is the weakest. I would say YM is the strongest. Although it is basically sitting around the lows from the regular trading hours session, where, well, yeah, the Russell is as well. So NQ the weakest, YM the strongest at the moment, with the majority of them below yesterday's close, though. We've got the VIX up. We do have the dollar dropping, but it's been kind of flat over the last couple of hours, but we are below yesterday's low, and yesterday's close. We're basically kind of testing this area. We haven't really can certainly come and retest this area again. We only made it to the highs there on that touch right there, so some more room to come down, even if the dollar wants to go up. We've got gold back up above 1800, and crude was up above 92, but has drop since it's open at 9, back below 91. Got a couple minutes left, 30 seconds till the open. On my higher time frame, I'm bearish on the weekly. Lower lows, lower highs. As I've been saying, I would need to see a break above this trend line to want to be bullish on this time frame. On the daily today, I am neutral. We did break yesterday's low, so I could potentially even say neutral bearish, but really I'm neutral because I can certainly see myself taking longs to retest yesterday's highs and maybe the highs of the range.
We're off.
And we are off. Good morning, Tom. Been trying to work on the sound here, so let us know if you guys can hear us clearly today. We know we've been having some issues with sound coming only out of one side, and I think that we corrected that. So that was the daily, and then on the 60-minute, I have the overnight low. I have this resistance level, which is some support from the overnight, but it's also a bunch of highs from way back here that I really like. We're pushing up into there right now. Got the overnight high, as well as some levels from yesterday and yesterday's highs. These are the scenarios I talked about in the pre-market analysis that we had about 30 minutes ago. And let's go ahead and take a look.
Just broke the
Wow, I have like tremendous volume today.
Me too.
Tremendous.
Yeah.
I mean, I still have 30 seconds left and I'm already above. I would have already said that it was a high volume day, and there's still 30 seconds left in this candle. All right, came and tapped my original resistance level, which I really liked. I wish I wouldn't have tapped it so quickly, to tell you the truth. Again, if you come here to the 60, you'll see this first red zone right here coincides with this low from this day, this high from this day, this high from this day, and this high from this day. So it's a nice little level right there to work off of. The daily ATR for the ES right now is sitting at 72 points, and we have done 31 and a half so far. So we've done basically half of the ATR already. So we certainly still have room to move in either direction. Getting a strong push down.
And the dollar's dropping. I think we might have further move down though. I'm gonna start looking for shorts here. ADQD going down. Tick chart opened up obviously negative.
Yeah, if we come and take a look at the internals, not extreme negatives, but did open up negative. The ADQD opened up in negative. Coming down here to negative 1,000 territory, but the ADD for the advanced client for the NYSE opening up around negative 400. Tick charts didn't really open up in extreme areas either. See if the dollar wants to test these lows again and maybe break them. If it comes down, tests, and reverses back up, another indicator to go short.
What I'm looking at is a tick chart, the zero line, and ADQD retracing a little bit. It looks to me it's gonna have to be a overnight supply around probably 13,132.
Got 30 seconds in this first 5 minutes. Just a large, wide-ranging 5-minute candle that so far hasn't picked a direction. It's going to be much more volume than the last few days here, new 5-minute. So certainly good volume so far.
Morning, Bison. All right, TQ is at the zero line. ADQD has retraced, but my supply, the best supply that I can find is 0.7550. It's a huge candle. it has a pivot. The overnight, I will take this confirmation because of the location. Hmm. $84.93. 84.93. I think I can take. There we go. So I have an order. Let's see if I can short this at confirmation, by the way, 0.81. And my target will be at 27. Confirmation. I'm not convinced of the move yet. All right, so tick chart came to the zero line and started to reject strongly. Never came to the 75 area. Yeah. I think this might be on play later today. I do have 13,027 as a demand, but the internals do not support the move. At least not yet. ADQD is coming back down.
Stay patient, guys.
Tick chart back at the zero line. ADQD did not break that low. Interesting. Like I said in the pre-market live, the higher probability for today is that the market will range bound, waiting for the CPI tomorrow. So I will have closer targets than usual.
Yes, sir. Do not expect a trending day today, guys.
Oh, well, that's what we don't expect. That anything can happen, but yeah, the higher probability is. Chavi, you're thinking of taking a long. Yeah. Well, the ADQD did not break that low. That's pretty long move, but the tick chart is still showing weakness. So I would be careful with the longs yet. I'd rather just wait for the zone just to be created and wait for the retest to get into the long side before catching this falling knife.
Minute 30 in this 15 minute. Also a wide ranging candle like that first 5 minute candle that hasn't picked a direction yet.
This is the perfect pattern for it to drop. Came to the zone, rejected it, out, retest, and then it's dropping. I think it, let's see what happens.
Order filled.
New 15.
I'm in this thing short. Let's see if it works. I'm in this thing short. Oh, I didn't record.
From where?
81. I'm about to go back to break even. Yeah, I'm very aggressive here. I want this thing to move down pretty quick. There we go. it got to that pivot. Let's see, and the tick chart is showing extreme, so most likely it's gonna reverse, but it's fine by me. My target is 28.
Beyond the overnight.
Yeah, no, my entry is 81 quarter, but
Your target
is
beyond the overnight.
yeah 13,028. But I don't know, like it's rejecting that point. I'm at break even right now.
I have my order at say 77 and a quarter.
Yeah, no, I'm fine with this. If it doesn't go, like, it's okay. It's a range bound today, and then it's creating the range, so it's fine. If I get, yeah, I gotta stop that break even.
Yeah, the tick chart's giving a.
Yeah, no,
It popped down to an extreme low on the ES, but it shot right back up.
no, this rejection on the minus 400 is pretty obvious. Yeah. One break even trade, guys. I think I was like 1/2 to 1 or something. Let me see how much I was in this trade. Might have come to 2 to 1. No, I was so close to 2 to 1. I will not play this area again because of the tick chart. The tick chart just went to the lows created today and shut back up so aggressively that I don't want to try again.
Sorry, guys.
You're in it, Beto.
Yes, I mean
From where?
77.
77 and a quarter. I'm 1 to 1, but I'm not going to move my stop until I get at least 2 to 1.
New 5 minute. starting to form a little downtrend here on the NYSE tick and the advanced declines making a new low as well.
I like the tick chart now.
Where's your target, Bendel?
No.
Stop filled.
Where is my target? At 17 and a quarter. But I'm about to get 2 to 1. We'll see. The tick break new low of the day and react. We'll see. Okay. We'll see if it breaks there. That is a risky point, right? So I'm gonna move my stop break even. I'm 1.5 to 1. So it doesn't make sense get full loss when I'm making 1.5 to 1. I don't care if I got stop break even. I'm making money. I'm not gonna risk my own money. So it's a free trade, and I do like what the tick chart is doing. So we'll see. Okay.
All right, the ES broke the overnight, and Q broke the overnight.
No, no, the overnight is 76. At least on NQ.
No.
Yeah.
No.
No?
No. That's the new.
What's your overnight?
It's a new low of the day. My overnight was 36.13.0.
No. No, that's 934, that low.
Oh, yeah. My, well, ES broke the overnight.
Now that the ADQD created a new low.
Order filled.
Okay, full target.
Nice trade.
Very
Nice trade.
Thank you.
I'll go short 1 NQ as well now. All right, strong pushes to the downside. Five-minute close below as well. New 2-minute.
Market's coming down big time now.
short right around. Where's the high of the 5 minute? Is all the way back at 34. So I need to risk all of that. Got less than 5 minutes left in this hourly candle. Okay, with that trade right there, risking the entire 5 minute candle. Got a little over 2 minutes left in this first 30 minutes. Take a quick look at the internals. Getting an extreme low on the tick chart, getting a pullback right now. I'm gonna set this trade. See if we get filled in at the new 30. It did not adjust the contracts again. There we go.
Order submitted.
Okay, my order is on.
One minute for the next 30 though.
Yeah, I'm risking the entire previous 5 minute candle. Stop up at 41.35. This previous 5 minute candle.
Do you know what you could do so I can unmute myself? Mute me in Discord, you.
You are.
Hmm?
You are muted there.
For you?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can talk directly to him. Do you hear me better, Beto?
With the feedback.
With the feedback.
Yeah.
Because
I'm going
you're
through
also
those.
through this mic.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's through
Yeah.
both.
No, that's fine.
All right, new 30.
New 30.
All right, this looks like it's potentially going without me. I may actually even take this trade off because this may want to just pop back up. I'm going to move this entry up to there for the moment. Stay patient, guys. Stay patient. 41.1350. Yeah, I have that marked out myself there. $4,100 in the ES is a very strong level, though. Yeah. Well, we haven't broken the supply. The 4,200 mark. ADPD coming steadily down. Market is selling off. I think market is expecting a pretty bad news tomorrow. Sort of like anticipating what is going to happen. Yeah, not getting much of what? Not getting any pullback. Yeah. Even on this micro pullback would not have filled my order, and with no follow through,
That's when you need to be strong and not chase.
Yeah. That's why I even put my entry higher.
Chasing
Expecting a
is,
bigger pullback.
Chasing is the worst of the trading mistakes. $18,801. I do have some demand right there. Like, yeah, certainly can drop, but I do have this pivot around 942, and I have a rally-based rally there. So most likely this will have some sort of reaction at like 950 if we get to 950. Certainly the sentiment right now is very bearish though. I wasn't expecting this move.
George, has the algo taken any trades?
It was short NQ
And long ES.
and long 1ES from right there.
Mine is not working.
Mm.
And I know why. Okay, made a mistake here.
The chart is very bearish, but
So, sorry, George, can you repeat what the algo is doing?
It's short 1 NQ and long 1 ES.
And it's up how much?
40 points on the NQ, and it's flat on it got in right there on the ES.
yeah, it's like 80
Long,
bucks.
right?
Yeah, long ES. It was short at 13,023 on NQ.
Okay.
No pullbacks. Advanced decline is flattened out here though. Still getting rejections off of the 0 line here on the tick chart. Finally breaking there to a new low. I just don't want to chase this though.
There's no point on chasing. It's
not.
better if you save the money for a better trade.
Yep.
That's my experience. I want to see what the VIX is doing. I have the VIX right here. Yeah, it's coming right. It's coming back up. Bro, lumber went 9% up yesterday.
Well,
Hmm? 8%. Wow.
getting a not an extreme push up, but certainly breaking the trend line, testing the high of the day here on the tick chart. Don't really have any major reason to take this order off yet.
Sorry, George. We're still one short Nasdaq and one long.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes. Okay.
yeah.
Gotcha. Thanks.
If this tick chart breaks to a new high, I'm gonna take the order off if I have enough time to. Alright, it did not break to a new high. Would have filled my original entry point.
Hmm.
So George, now we are two ES and one
Yeah,
NQ.
yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh yeah, strong pushes up
Order
on the tick
canceled.
chart. It's made a new high there, testing the high, could get rejected off, but I don't have any clear direction right now. My bias is short, but I'm not a huge fan of the location of this trade. It's kind of in the middle of nowhere.
It's pretty sideways though.
Yeah. think about maybe taking this trade confirmation based off of some price action. But the tick chart pushing to the high, that's a new high there on the NYSE tick. So I would not want to be necessarily short right now. It could obviously drop from there, but we're going to stay patient. Like Franco said, save my money for a better trade. You just have the one break even?
Yeah.
And Beto, yours
One
was what,
more.
3R, Beto?
Yes. Yes.
Nice. All right, guys, like I said, spent so much time chopping around up here that I was expecting a deeper pullback. That's why I originally moved my order up. And the tick chart making a new high here is the reason that I took my order off completely. Advanced decline is rolling back over to the upside. Tick chart is trending upwards now. So we're going to stay patient.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
See if we make a new low here on the ES. If we make a new low, that'll confirm that I missed the trade. If it does not make a new low, we'll think about maybe getting long.
The ADQD is dying.
Yeah.
New 5 minute in a few
Dropping
seconds.
very hard.
New 5 minute. Getting rejected off of that low there.
I have an order to go long.
From where?
96. A minute. I'm 1-to-1 right now, but I don't like the tick chart. It's aggressively going up and rejected. Yeah. Doesn't matter. I am break even.
You want to show your screen?
Sure. Give me 1 second. Where's my OBS? You guys see it? Yeah, there we go.
There we go.
That's what I don't like. The tick chart is not breaking new highs. The ADQD is fine. There we go. Come on. Let's see if we can get the push to give us target there.
Minute 30 in this 30 minute.
Oh.
Yeah.
What that supposed to mean for me? Yeah. Very neutral candle though. It did not go up. It's painful just waiting when your position is making money, but if we don't wait, we don't get to target. So that's not convenient for your trading. You need the risk and reward ratio. I know it's painful, but it's more painful just getting a small win and then regular losses. That's more painful, believe me.
Ten seconds.
I know. We have broken the supply, let's see. And the algo is selling, oh my God. I do have that supply, but the fact that it's tested already and it didn't break any low, it makes me skeptical of it working. So let's see what it does. Like, it is what it is. Like, it is what it is. There's nothing else I can do. I mean, I like the fact that the tick chart came down and the price is going up. I do like that movement though. Hmm. Now I don't like the tick chart. It's coming down. Price is coming down and the tick chart is going up. Oh my God, this might have reversed. But I don't have anything to do here. I just have to wait. Either my stop is a break even. Either I lose this trade, I get a break even, or I hit target. That's the two possibilities that are in my realm right now. $40 for the next 7 minutes. That's one thing that really worries me, because the 7 minute push will take me out of this trade. Bro, it touched the target. Oh, there you go, finally. Target fill.
Nice trade.
Thank you. Oh my God.
That's right.
Thank you. I get a bit emotional though. That's not good. Is a market watch a free tool in Trading View, Market Watch. What is that, George?
I think it's just this thing.
Oh, the screener?
The watch list?
No, we don't. I mean, I have very limited knowledge base of
Trading View.
Trading View. I barely use it just for the pre-market.
So the TQ is not, it's not breaking new highs. So for me, it's not confirming the momentum to the upside. Maybe this is a retracement, right?
It might be, but I was accounting for a range-bound day. So on range-bound days, you have this type of behavior. Obviously, the market is more bearish than bullish. But yeah, but that's why my target was so close. I think I might have hit 2.5 or 3 to 1 max. Thank you, Hishman. Nice trade, good risk reward. Thank you, Aaron. Yeah, we do our best to show our trades. I want to thank you all for watching us today. If you like what we do here, please thumbs up and share.
I'm gonna switch back.
Yeah.
Oh man, and I just deleted the Alright guys, this was my original entry here. Potential entry with my stop. This is the high of the 5-minute candle that I was trying to risk. Would have gotten filled. Took my order off because the tick chart, when this chopped around down here and didn't fill me quickly, didn't pull back quickly. When I see things start to chop around like this, it gives me a pause that things are starting to turn around. They're trying to bring it down. Couldn't. When it started to get back up here, the tick chart started to make new highs, so I took my order off. I would potentially still be in this trade, but even if it were to work out, I'm glad that I'm not in the trade. Not worth the risk. I wanted it to fill quickly and continue back down. No follow through in the last 40 plus minutes, right? We broke down in the first 30, but haven't had any follow through to the downside. So we're back near the open price in a range, and so no trades for me thus far. I think with that, we're going to call it a morning. The kind of things that I'm waiting for right now, I would potentially like to be long, but I don't have any high volume in any of these candles down here. This is the volume that I have. I would have liked to have seen at least a spike or two up into this range on the volume in some of these candles to kind of give me an indication that this does want to go long and to help me try and pinpoint a zone. I don't really have anything that I like down here right now. I mean, it would really just be maybe from there down to the lows would potentially be my zone, but it's not like I saw heavy any heavy buyers in this area down here. So I do think that if price comes back down here to test, it could potentially break through. So I do like the potential for a long, but just I don't have any setups right now. So like I said, I think with that we're gonna call it a morning, guys. Franco's trade was how many are?
I think like 3.
3. Beto took another 3. So pretty good day overall for us. Again, I didn't take any trades, but we'll have the daily recap later today, and if we take any more trades, it'll be on there as well. Thank you guys, and we'll catch you guys back here tomorrow.
Bye now.